The days of just putting a cable from A to B are gone. Everybody now wants the technology and the communication protocols. Bluetooth, wireless mesh in the lighting control sector is certainly the buzzwords.
More automation out there. We now see that fibre optics taking over from the old telephone lines for internet and VoIP, that sort of thing. So I think the future now is going to be the renewables.
Government targets, they want to build 1.5 million new homes, they want to install 600,000 heat pumps a year. We're being told there's going to be more electric vehicles on the road, more use of solar panels. So I think that's going to be the big growth area going forward.
The future of the electrical industry, I think, definitely renewables. We're here at ELEX to talk about air source heat pumps and how they're evolving in the market and the devices that you need to protect those circuits. But obviously you've got PV, EV, and all these sort of inverter technologies are really changing the way, and people really need to understand what devices to use for those circuits.
The big thing that we've really been focusing on is kind of like microgrids. So that's like giant inverters and battery banks that can power like massive systems or kind of like small local areas, like a few houses, and also like super flexible solar panels, peel and stick, and then that's you sorted.
Electric vehicles, PV installations, quite a lot of stuff have been added to the regulations. We look at the regulations we had 120 years ago, there was only 4 pages of paper, but now you've got an 800-page book.
So predictions for the future mainly will be Amendment 4 of BS 7671 coming into effect sometime next year. We haven't been given all the information yet, but we believe the book will be released early part of 2026 and will come into full effect sometime in the later season of 2026. So it's always mindful to be aware of the changes that might impact the particular contractor or their scope of work, and rely upon any CPD available and development to ensure that the work that they do when the changes come into effect meet the new requirements.